So I got my pre-made pie shell all set to go here. You can make it from scratch, but just too much work for me. Now I'm going to add some pecans to the bottom of the shell, and this is a combination of whole and halved. I just love pecans. And that's about pretty good right there. And don't worry, because you can have them on the bottom and they will float to the top. Pecans, pecans, pecans. Now let's make our filling, and to do this you're going to need 3 eggs. Let's just go ahead and crack these into a bowl. Now we'll just give these guys a whisk up. In with a cup of golden corn syrup. Now I'm using golden syrup here, and dark is actually better. It makes the pie darker, but if you just have white, you can go ahead and use it. The pie just won't be as dark. Followed by a tablespoon of maple syrup. Now you can use molasses too to make it a little darker, or just honey. Some brown sugar, and this is about half a cup. You can use the dark stuff too, and if you don't have brown, you can use white. 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Some vanilla extract. This is about a teaspoon. Use a good vanilla extract. Last but not least, a good pinch of salt. I guess about half a teaspoon. And we'll go ahead and give this a good mix up. Just look at those colors begin to change, guys. Looks like pecan pie. Now let's get the mixture into that shell with the pecans. Let's pour this over. Oh my goodness, guys, this looks so yummy. And just in case there's any spillage, I'm just going to set this on a baking tray. Now this is going into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, preheated oven for about half an hour. After about 30 minutes, I'm just going to slip this out of the oven quickly, and it is looking good. And I'm just going to tent this with some aluminum foil. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, and it's going to go back in for another half an hour, 45 minutes. After about 30 minutes, let's take a peek here, guys, and see what we have. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. It's just about perfect, if not perfect. Let's give this a little wiggle. Wow. Now that was 30 minutes. If you have a deep shell, I would leave it go, 45, an extra 15 minutes. But this is about perfecto. So we're gonna let this cool down. All right, guys, let's cut into this and see what we have. Oh. I can tell right now it is gonna be good. Wow. Okay, guys, this is going to be so yummy. Just look at this wonderful pecan pie. All right, let's dig in and see what we have. Oh. Just look at this. This would be so great served up with some vanilla ice cream, but I don't have any right now, so. And as always, a pecan pie cheers. Little piece fell off. Pecan pie at its best. And it's so simple to make. You gotta make this, guys. Real good.